Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Is This Love by Whitesnake on acoustic guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chords. You'll primarily use G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These four chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on clean finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory, making the changes feel natural and effortless as you play through the song's sections. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective approach involves a consistent down-up motion. Maintain a steady tempo, ensuring each strum is clear and even. For added depth, try varying your strumming intensity. Play softer during the verses and more powerfully during the chorus. This dynamic contrast will bring the song to life and make your acoustic rendition truly engaging for listeners. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together for the verse and chorus. The verse typically follows a G, D, E minor, C progression. For the chorus, you'll often find a D, C, G, D sequence, creating that powerful, memorable hook. Practice transitioning between these sections, ensuring your chord changes are timely and your strumming remains consistent. This repetition will solidify your understanding of the song's structure and flow. Finally, we'll cover the bridge and outro. The bridge often introduces a slight variation, perhaps using chords like a minor or F major, before returning to the main progression. The outro is usually a simple repetition of the chorus chords, fading out or ending with a strong final strum. Once you've practiced each section, try playing the entire song from beginning to end. This comprehensive approach will help you master Is This Love on your acoustic guitar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.